Good morning. My name is Siti Heloisa and here is today to talk about an important topic that everyone every got us. Mental health anywhere. Mental health is very important as physical health. Yes, it overlooked a STEM that is secretive. Many people in slice applying sick help can speak about everyday hospitals. It is key that we start having open and honest talk about mental health, breaking down myths and discipline myths and making it out that students we must support and encourage those who are studying and education in and of us living, seeing experts in the past in lives. By listening and about investing of mental health, we can create a more convinced and speaking community for those in together we can reduce in access treatment. In effective, the efforts will guide of education and activity yes for. Thank you for listening and encourage you to commit yourself in raising and develop mental health. Thank you.